Hello all, welcome to the deck. Sorry about the light, might be a little weird, but it's the only place I could put the camera because of the sun and everything else. So today's project will be replacing screen door. I got a new screen door I brought up, and this one's got to come off and be put on the bunkhouse. So first things first, take this sucker apart, and then we'll install the new one, and you get to follow along step by step. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. So first step, remove all the trim, remove the springs, remove the door, and then we start on the new one, which is right here. So yeah, it shouldn't be that bad, but here we go. Alright, one door removed, and we will throw that second one in. Get ready for some fun!